Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming Auto Advance is active on your Jazz line. Open Jazz World or check the balance menu with *111#. Once confirmed, make sure you have your Jazz number and any account PIN or scenic details handy, because the system may ask. Start in a strong signal area to avoid interruptions. This prevents failed requests that can resubscribe you. Now, keep your device unlocked and the Jazz World app signed in, so you can complete the next unlinking steps without delay. You can unsubscribe two ways, app or UST. If using Jazz World, go menu, select Auto Advance or Advance, choose Manage and toggle it off, confirm when prompted. If you prefer UST, dial the balance/advance menu code, follow the cancel or stop advance prompts and confirm. Either method triggers an immediate request. Make sure to wait for on-screen or SMS confirmation. If you get an error, retry once. Network glitches can temporarily block the command. Complete by verifying cancellation. Wait for the Jazz SMS that confirms Auto Advance is canceled, or reopen Jazz World to check the setting is off. If you don't receive confirmation within 10 minutes, try the cancel flow once more, and then call 111 for live support. Explain you attempted to unsubscribe and provide your number and time of request. Make sure to keep a screenshot or the SMS as proof for 24 to 48 hours in case billing issues appear. This speeds any dispute resolution.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.